Are you tired of walking around with an afro and you've been thinking about trying locks? Well, let me help you start the process. I can create locks. I can create them in the 6-inch version, small, or I can create them in a 1-foot-long version of large and everything in between. Okay? I can make them 1-foot-long or I can make them 6 inches in whatever color you want, from small, medium to large. Loc Creation starts at $500. You put down $200. I start the creation of the locks. Once I finish, you'll give me the additional $300 and I hand the locks over to you. Or if you want me to install the locks, I'll hold on to the locks, and then on your scheduled appointment date, you'll put down an additional $200 for me to install them, and then I'll install them, and then when I finish the service, you'll pay the additional $300, and then I'll retwist and style your hair. Why wait and be in the ugly stage when you can just get your locks installed? Get them created and installed. Book me now. www.stylistjohn.com. 314-359-5499. Loc Creation and installation. I can get you fly.